Oh yeah.
Oh my God, it looks so good. Photos aren't meant to live on a screen. Photos are meant to be printed. So David and I had the same photo printed 3 very different ways. So we could compare and contrast and see how the presentation of a photo changed the way it is perceived. So we headed to Bayphoto's website to order the photos. We use them to print our photos all the time because the print quality is great and the color always looks amazing. Plus, they arrive super quickly. I'm not sure how these are going to look, what I'm going to think about it. We've really been trying out a lot of different ways to fine-tune the presentation of our photos, and I'm hoping that one of these is going to be the one that we land on. So we have one acrylic print, we have one fine art framed print, and then we have one framed metal print. I am most excited to see the acrylic print because we've never printed our photos like that before, and I think it might be that perfect happy medium between using glass with a framed photo and not using glass at all. Okay, these guys are huge, so let's get David in here and we'll get him to open these up.
Here we go. Boom. Oh, this is a big boy.
Oh my God, it's so big.
So big. Are you ready, Jada?
Yeah, I'm so stoked.
You're gonna get a sneak peek as I pull up.
Okay. Whoa. Oh my God, it looks so good.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, it looks so good.
This is the framed on the paper.
Holy crap.
Yeah, this looks great. Just give me a second. I'm gonna pull it out of the plastic bag.
David.
That's so incredible.
This is amazing. Oh my God, it looks so professional.
It really does. Well, it is professional.
I know. It's like a weird thing when like you're the one who does
Yeah.
the professional thing.
So this is photo rag with a matte with a black metal frame, and I think it looks so cool. The colors came out like just amazing. You could see like all the detail on the leg. It's just fantastic. I love it. What do you think, Jada?
Yeah, I'm a color freak. I spend so much time editing the color on
Yeah.
our photos. And like nothing is more disappointing to me when we get a print back and the color is
Just bad.
off.
Yeah.
And this color looks like spot on to what I edited on the computer screen. And it's so cool to see it in person.
So cool.
Oh, and it like printed so big. Everything held up so well.
I love it.
This is the custom framed print. We got this photo printed pretty large at 35 by 35 inches with acrylic to protect the print. It has a 3-inch mat on it, and we chose to go with 8-ply polar white to really get that bright white feel within the mat. And then we had it framed using just a standard black metal frame, just to keep it clean and simple. Bayphoto had so many different framing options, but I think with such a minimalistic photo, we needed a minimal frame. And honestly, I'm really blown away by this one because to me, it feels like the type of photo presentation that you'd see in a museum.
This is the biggest box of the 3.
That looks heavy.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a big box.
It's a big box. Might be best if I sit it on the ground first. Oh, this is the metal one.
What do you think? What do you think?
Wow. Okay, so it has plastic on it still, but this is equally as cool.
Oh my
Not better.
gosh. Oh, wow.
Wow. All right, let me pull it out of the bag, but
Oh, that black frame works like so well.
And it goes exactly into the corner. So like, that's why I like this, I think, because the way the walls were, I think it made a matte. So like matting it in the frame, that looked nice and like kind of museum quality. But this one like did my original intention of it being like the matte.
That's so cool.
All right.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool because there's like no glare happening.
Yeah. That's really neat.
That color is like fire too. It's so vivid.
So vivid.
So crisp.
This might actually land its spot on my wall at home. This is cool too.
Oh, the colors in this one I feel like almost look like more velvety or something.
I think we used, what finish do you think we used?
I think it was satin.
So I think that makes sense because satin made like this red, like velvet satin feeling. It's really cool. Also the frame, the metal print is floated in the frame. And that looks really cool. It gives it like a kind of a...
Oh, it does. It gives it some depth.
Yeah, that one's cool. I think I like this one more than the like traditional frame and matte look. Like a lot. I really do.
Does it feel more like contemporary?
Yeah, it feels more like me. Like the frames I build. So I really do enjoy that. But that's sick.
This is a 30 by 30 framed metal print. We chose a satin finish for the printing, and I'm so glad that we did because it really gave the image this almost like velvety-like texture that really makes the colors pop and stand out. It's framed in a black metal floating frame. So the metal print is actually inset a little bit inside the frame. And I think it looks amazing. It feels very contemporary, very modern, and also having the frame around the metal print really makes it feel like a finished art piece to me versus just like a standalone print that you see on people's walls in their homes.
Harder one to open, and it's the heaviest, so obviously this is the acrylic.
It has some big shoes to fill after
Big
seeing
shoes,
these
but I
other
think
two.
This is the one I was most excited for.
Bay Photo has crushed this so far.
Yeah.
Like, I am so impressed by the print quality and how well these colors have held up. Whoa! Okay.
Oh. It's because it's heavy, but like it comes with all the mounting stuff, which is nice.
That's really nice.
Do I have it the right side up?
I don't know. What do you think the odds are?
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh.
Beautiful.
That might be my favorite.
Ooh, acrylic, baby.
This thing just feels expensive because of the sheer weight of it.
Does it feel heavy?
Yeah. Wow.
It's like, it really is that perfect balance between like, you get away with not having glass, but you still get that like glossy quality without that reflectiveness.
I feel like this is super protected too. Like I almost feel like you can put this outside.
Yeah, you probably could.
I think this feels like this feels like art, like a sculpture almost, you know? It's like this physical thing beyond like a photograph in a picture frame. It's like, it is, I like this. This with like a frame maybe would even be sick.
Yeah. So this is the 1/4 inch non-glare acrylic print. And it is mounted to a Dibond backing surface just to add a little bit more strength to it. And this one is heavy. It's pretty thick and it is heavy. It's the only one that we ordered that didn't come with a framing option available. And I think it's because it's such a standalone piece on itself. I really love the non-glare finish because it's kind of annoying to me when you're looking at a photo and you see your reflection in it. So I love that it gives that glossy kind of finish without getting the glare. We chose the vivid surface to print on just to add a little extra color pop because that is such a big part of our work. So like I said, this is pretty heavy. It is definitely the heaviest one that we ordered. So we chose the French cleat mounting option. which worked perfectly, and it was super easy to hang on the wall. It's so wild to me to see the same photo printed 3 different ways. We have never done that before, and it totally changes the way you think of the photo. When I see the one that is the framed print, I think it looks so professional, museum quality. I'm like, whoa, that looks like a really legit person took that photo. And then I'm like, whoa, it's me. And the fact that that presentation made me feel that way, I think is so impactful. Then behind me, we have the acrylic print, and I love how like sleek it is. It stands out, it's large, it is like, it's a showstopper. And then we have the metal print, which feels super modern and sleek and just like such a nice, clean presentation. I love that it has this like velvety texture to it, and it looks so sleek and polished in this black metal frame. It's really hard for me to pick a favorite. I think that to present our work in the future, I would probably choose the metal print with a black frame. But right now, honestly, I am kind of loving the framed print just because I have never seen my work presented anywhere close to that. And I'm like, wow, it looks really good. Printing your photos really does change everything. I definitely encourage you to get some of your own work printed some different ways than you have before. Remember to like and subscribe to this video, and in the comments, let us know which one was your favorite. Until next time.